Okay,
Yes, Prof.
okay, thank you. So I was here, right? What I have done? I just pushed my code here, correct? So which branch I have pushed? Main branch. Let us go to the browser and check it. Still it is not there, right? I just need to refresh now. Okay. When I refresh, whatever the changes I have added, hello, this is Python batch 1, right? All those code and came and sit it here, right? So this is the basic informations how to create a repository in Git I showcased. Okay. How to add that repository in your terminal for the project also I have showcased. How to give a permission between the Visual Studio Code and your GitHub account, that also I have showcased, right? Now let us do some practical things, right? We will start creating the branches. We'll start creating the merging activities. All those things I will explain how there are a lot of things are there in the Git. I will start explaining all those command lines. These command lines are very, very important in your day-to-day life. Okay. So without this, I think we cannot use any Git repositories. Okay. There are a lot of tools are there. It will help us, but we should be knowing what those tools does inside, what commands they use it, right? First, we have to be thorough with the commands. Now, let us go here. Okay. I will just little bit minimize. Okay. Now what I will do, just go and check here Git status. Okay. There is no changes has been done, right? Now we are going to cover Git basics tutorial, right? So what I have done, I just saved this file. Then I will go and check Git status. It is showing me there is a change in this file. Previously, when we saw there are two files which were not added, correct? But it was showing Git is talking to us. These are untracked files, right? There were no files like this before in the Git. When we do Git status. Now, if you see changes not stage for commit. Okay. Means these are tracked files, but there are some new changes has been done. Correct. So these changes, when I switch back, it is not there here. If I go and click here, okay, it is having old information still. But in my local, I have updated information. What I need to do? First step I need to do, I need to check Git status. I will come to know what are the changes in that one, right? So how do we know what are the changes here? You guys can see, right? There is some information is coming here. When I overwrite, that pop-up is coming here. There are some libraries I will tell you to use it. Who worked at what time? Okay. It will tell when you are working across. Okay. So time also it will tell who worked and all. It is showing you means I have worked. If it shows Puja means Puja has worked. We will all do this activity in our upcoming sessions also. I will teach you guys. Okay. Now he is saying git commit minus a. Okay. Let us do minus a or minus m or anything is fine. Just added git basic tutorial content. Sorry. Let's switch on, right? Okay. And in read me file. I'm telling you, this commit, whatever we are adding, right, message, it should be very clear. If anybody, suppose I am the only person which I am working on, tomorrow after 1 month or 2 months, for this commit, what changes I have done, I need to know by just looking at the commit information, right? It has to be precisely written. You can write n number of lines here. Okay. Then I have committed. See, it's not taking git minus a. Correct? That's what we need to use. Yeah. Let us try to use minus am. Yes. So it AM and minus AM, there is a difference is there. I will teach you that what is the difference. That is depends on the versions also. Okay. Git versions. Now I committed, but I have not pushed, right? This is the command, very, very important. Whenever I need to push, right? For which origin I am pushing. So I talked about origin, right? Origin is something like remote. I will talk about how to manage multiple remotes for same code. That also I will teach you guys how to handle it. Okay. Now I just pushed my code. Okay. It is validating and it pushed now. I will go back to this browser. When I refresh it, okay, you guys can see, right? There is a change, correct? When I click back also, it will show here. So readme.md always explains about this project, whichever we have created. It always explains. Okay. So now what I will do, I will start creating the folders. Okay. Now Git learning I will create. In this learning, I will create some content. Okay. Git basics dot text. Even I am fine with MD also. Okay. In this Git basics, okay, we know what we have learned. How to create repository in GitHub. We learned, correct? Then how to push our local code to repository. That also we have learned, correct? Within this, how to push, we have learned Git status. What is the Git status? Okay. Then Git add we learned, correct? Then Git commit we learned, right? Then Git remote we learned. This also command we have learned, right? Then we learned Git push. Okay. So these are some basic informations we learned. Now we will learn some other commands also. Okay. Some other informations. What are those things? I will teach you. So Git status, as usual, I have to do because I have added, this is a untracked files. Remember guys, untracked files. It is telling me git add this file, right? I will go and add that file also. Git add space dot. Git status I will check. Now it is committed. It is tracked, but it is not pushed. Okay. Now git push origin main I have done. Now if I go and refresh, what happened? Git status. Sorry, we have not committed. Okay, we just added. Okay, so now we are going to push this information. When I go and refresh to my browser, I can see the Git learning, right? And I can see there is a Git basics. When I click on that one, what we have covered, right? So these commands we have covered so far. Now what I will do, okay, consider I'm going to edit this file in browser. I can do edit, right? So git pull, I have written git pull here. Okay, git pull. So this additional two lines which I have created. Okay, now I have to commit these changes. See, we no need to only edit here in the Visual Studio Code or whatever the code we are using. Okay, we want to commit also, right? In the browser. So I will click on the commit, updated. I am just updating and pushing to the same branch. But it is asking me to create new branch. This also I will explain you when I will start in some time about how to create a branch, how to merge the one branch to another branch, right? All those explanation I will do it. Now I have committed, correct? I need to learn git pull. When I go and check in my code, I do not have the git pull information here, right? So this is very, very important. How do I need to pull? There is a command called as git pull. Okay. Now git push is origin branch name. And origin is something like remote. Okay. Branch name. Now there is a git pull remote branch name. My remote is here origin. If I check this one, what is my remote here? Origin, right? I have to give origin. Git has a configuration already has this information now. So now git pull origin main. Till now, we learned push. We know how to push our changes to Git for which branch we were pushing. Correct. Now I need to pull that code. There is already we have an updated code in our GitHub. So we need to pull it. So what I'm going to do it now, we need to pull it. When I do this pull, it is giving some problem, right? It is giving some problem because I suppose not to add this information here. Okay. I have added a git pull here. I have added some changes also here. There are changes at two places also. Okay. It is saying there are changes at two places also. Correct. Now I need to know what are those changes. Okay. Just click git view history is there. Okay. It will tell me what are those changes. When I go and view it, right? View, what are those changes I have done on which commit? Okay. Refresh. Now I need to get that information, but it is fast forwarded, right? I do not have that information. Now it is automatically merged. Let's try to do what happens. Still there is no update, right? I'm trying to save. Okay. It is asking there is a change. I need to compare what are those changes, correct? So this is called as a Git conflict. What we are trying to learn here, it is a Git conflict. It's very, very important to learn. Okay. Please understand here. From this line to this line, okay, there was a change. There is a git pull has been came from here, right? This line to this line. But on the same file, same line, we have edited this one. Okay. I need to accept any one it is, correct? I need to accept any one it is. How do I need to accept it here? Okay. Either I need to revert changes, I need to copy changes, all those I can do it. So I have reverted my local changes. Okay. I saved here. Git status. Right? Nothing to commit. Everything is clean. Okay. Now consider I'm going to edit it again here. What I will do, I will do some changes. Git push remote branch name. Okay. Remote branch name. And I will go and commit. Same thing I does. I will commit the changes. It will go and push it here. Okay. I will not do any changes here, but I will just pull that command. Can you see the changes here, team? Please respond. Don't be mute. Else I will be only person talking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, everybody. Okay. So else this will not be interactive sessions. I will act like a same person, whoever is doing currently in the market. I don't want to be like that. This should be always interactive sessions. I don't want one-way love. I need a two-way love. Okay, between coaching versus the students, right? So two-way love should be there whenever we need to concentrate and learn. Now, the changes what I have done in the remote or somebody has done the changes, okay, and that we learned git pull and I showed git merge also, right? Git merge command also. I will show you the git merge also, how to learn it, git merge. Okay, let us do something. Let us do something. We will, to create a merge and all, I will teach you how to create a branches and all. Okay. Now I have not pushed this information yet, right? I have not pushed this information yet. Now what I will do, I need to create a branch. Okay. See, see this command. Understand this command. Very, very important. Git checkout minus B space branch name. Okay. Now I want to learn how to create a new branch, correct? I will give my branch name here, right? I can give something like this. I can give underscore also branch. These are all fair here, but I cannot give space. Okay, git understand space is something like there is a difference in command. Never ever branch name should be with space. Okay. Now what I'm creating, merge branch, right? I am creating a merge branch. So now I am in merge branch. You guys can see it switched from main branch to merge branch. Okay. Now here we learned git creating branch. How we are creating the branch? Git checkout minus B new branch name. Correct? No space for the branch name. Okay. Now I have done some changes here. I will go and commit. Okay. Now, very, very strange thing now. I will explain you. If I enter git branch, right? If I enter the git branch, you guys can see here. If I enter the git branch, it is showing me a two branches. One was main, which we created earlier. There is a one more branch which we have newly created, but it is in green color. Whenever it is in green color means we are committed, but this information is not there in our remote. Correct? I am in the remote now. I will go to my root place of the gate. Okay. Very, very important. Here I will teach what is the GitHub also. One by one, one by one, I will keep on teaching you. You guys can see there is only one branch. Correct? Tax concepts also I will teach you. Please hold on. Okay. I can see only one branch. There is a main branch. Correct? Even if I click on the view all branches, still I have only one branch. Okay. So now if I go back, I have to push this branch, right? Okay. We know how to push git push origin branch name. Now, what is this response is saving? It is responding. It is to understand what we have done, what this command does, right? It is showing all this information, whatever is merged. Okay. Created a pull request for GitHub visiting for this one and do it, right? Now, if I go back and see, merge branch had a recent pushes 2 seconds ago. Compare and pull request. Okay. But still it is not showing here. I will refresh. I can go and see there is a merge branch. Team, we created a new branch as a merge branch, right? We have not merged it. We pushed that branch and it is visible here. There are two branches are visible here. Okay. Even I can go and see many branches also. This is the default branch. This is the active branch, and your branch is just ignore it. Don't confuse yourself now. I will explain what and all in some other time. Okay. So there are two branches. If you can see here in this content, it is showing compare and pull request. Compare and pull request, how to do it here as well as how to do it in the command line also I will explain. Okay. Compare and pull request, if I do this, it will ask me which branch to pull and merge. Okay. Compare and pull request. Okay. I have to commit. I have to create a pull request. Okay. That's what I can do it here. Okay. So you guys need to understand here this concept here. Okay. I need to merge this branch to this branch. It is saying even I can select other branches other than merge branch, but since I have only one main branch here, okay, it is asking, the arrow mark indicates here I need to merge branch to main branch. It is asking me to merge. Okay, let us not do this one. Let us not do this one. Let us do something like this. Tin, am I audible?
Yes, Master.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, there are different ways are there merging. 10 other ways are there. Different tools are there. I will showcase you three fundamental way of merging. One is through command line, one is through the visual code, and one more is through the GitHub. Okay. Now let us go through the command line first. Let's go one by one. Now I am in this branch. This is updated to remote also. I want to merge to main branch. To merge to main branch, what I need to do? I need to check out to the main branch first. Okay. Now I have checked out to main branch. Correct. Now what I need to do? I need to merge. There is a command git merge branch name. Okay. There is a command git merge branch name. If I do this one, okay, you just check it here. Some informations I have added in another branch, right? But that information not there in the current branch. So this command will help me if I just enter, it merged, right? Creating new new branch, all this information it has merged now. Okay. Give me 1 minute. I just want to have water. Yeah, thank you everyone. Now we merged, but we have not pushed to, just check it. We have not pushed to main branch still. I am in main branch here. Let's go inside. Okay. Hello. Am I audible team?
Yes, Master.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, some internet was up and down. Okay. So what I was trying to say, till my code is not there now. I just need to refresh my code, correct? I will go and push origin main. When I do this one, I just need to go and refresh. It came and updated here, correct? So this is the one way to merge code through command lines. Okay. Now I will write how to merge. I will just write here command lines, how to merge from one branch to another. Okay. So now my one branch which I am talking, right? I will say it as a merge branch. Okay. My another branch, I will say it as a main branch. Okay. This is my merge branch. This is my main branch. So the commands which I said, right? Now we need to first consider here merge branch, everything is updated. Okay, main branch is also updated. Now we need to check out to main branch. Okay, once we do a checkout to main branch, we have a command git merge the branch which we wanted to merge, right? It's a merge branch which I wanted to merge now. Okay, after this merge, we may face conflicts. I will talk about this one later. Okay, we may face conflicts means for same file, same line, some other person worked on. We will get it. Okay. If you haven't got any conflicts, if you got conflicts, fix the conflicts. Fix the conflicts. Message. Conflicts are fixed. Okay. Then our standard way is git push origin main branch. Okay. Git push origin main branch. These are the commands using commands. Okay, these are the commands which we needed to use. So this is a one step how to merge from one branch to another branch using commands. Okay, this I have explained now. I will just push it. Okay, I will push this code now. Now we have, I told right, other ways to merge. Now I will showcase how to merge in GitHub. Let me check out branch name. If I need to know my branch name, I will click on the branch. Okay. Git name, just refreshing. Okay. My second part now. Okay. How to merge from GitHub. Yeah. Team, just hold on. Okay. We'll join. I will end this call. We'll join again in 5 minutes. Okay. To the same meeting.
Okay, Basu.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.